Elite 6 is a forward-thinking organisation that gets business owners together. We have a format that is an hour long and we help people interact. I call them decision makers. The focus of Elite 6 is helping you build your business community, not just generating leads and referrals. And the secret to our success is really the support that we do give the small business. What we offer is totally unique because we're not focusing on your industry, but we're really looking at that individual business person and helping them become a better version of themselves. Our unique format really encourages people to talk about their experiences, knowledge and skills. It's proven, it's very successful. People talk about their challenges, their business and more importantly, their successes. Simply put, we're helping people build their business village. I'm Danny DeHeck. I'm the head decision maker at Elite 6 Business Networking. I want to help you grow your business, I want to get to know you, and I also want to share my business family with you. So take some action, go to our website and request an invite. Look forward to seeing you soon.